Anthropic's growth. Lead just told every knowledge worker to stop using chat, not for everything, but for every task that matters. His name is Austin Lau. He runs growth marketing at Anthropic, and he published a full breakdown of why 90% of people are using Claude wrong. The problem isn't the model, the problem is where you're using it. This is Claude Cowork, and this is the playbook Anthropic's own team runs every day. Here's the shift nobody's paying attention to. 2024 was the year of chat. You asked questions, you got answers. You copied and pasted them into actual work. 2025 was the year of Claude Code. Engineers got superpowers. The rest of us watched from the sidelines. 2026 is the year the rest of us catch up. Claude Cowork takes the same agentic engine that powers Claude Code, wraps it in a desktop interface, and lets non technical people delegate real work. Not questions, work. Austin's rule is dead simple. Quick one off, use chat. Multi step deliverable, use Cowork. If what you want fits in a few exchanges, a question, a brainstorm, a gut check, chat is faster. But if what you need is a thing, a file someone will open, a deck someone will present, a spreadsheet someone will sort, that's Cowork. Here's the line: what should I cover in our business review? Chat. Read the last 3 months of meeting notes and build me a QBR deck using our template. Cowork. The most common mistake isn't picking wrong once. It's reaching for chat out of habit and never feeling the difference. Before you hand anything to Cowork, run this checklist. 1. More than one thing goes in. Multiple files, a folder, or connectors to apps you already use. 2. A file comes out, a doc, a deck, a spreadsheet, a CSV, something you'd share or present. 3. You'll do it again. Recurring tasks are the sweet spot. You can schedule them to run before you're even at your desk. 4. You already know what good looks like. You can tell in 15 seconds if the output is right. 5. The middle is the boring part. The thinking lives at the start and the end. The middle is extract, compile, reconcile, reformat. That's the part you hand off. This isn't theory. Austin runs 3 workflows on Cowork at Anthropic right now. First, a daily briefing. Cowork connects to his Slack and Gmail, reviews unread messages and flagged channels overnight, and drops a sorted report before he opens his laptop. Every morning at 6 a.m., scheduled. Second, budget pacing. Instead of manually exporting daily spend from Google Ads and Meta Ads and pasting it into a spreadsheet, he built a live dashboard inside Cowork that pulls spend automatically and calculates pacing to goal. Third, reporting. Cowork pulls data from Google Search Console, reconciles it into a single sheet, flags anything that moved meaningfully, and writes up the report in his template. 30 minutes of work compressed into 5. Now, here's the part Austin didn't put in the article. On June 4th, he's hosting a live webinar with Emily Holman from Anthropic's product marketing team. They're going deep on 3 real Cowork workflows: the morning briefing, a Google Ads search term audit, and that live reporting dashboard. Comment Cowork below and I'll send you the link, plus a free Claude Cowork operator playbook. Bite size AI drops on Instagram. Deep dives here on YouTube. Subscribe early. Win early.